Tell you what, man, I really hope that I wiped good this morning because I can already feel the sweat running down my crack.
Yeah, it's got
All right, so we're out here at River Street Park in Mount Holly. It's a little 9-hole course. Haven't played in like a month, and that's because the government turned the heat on so hot here in North Carolina. It's ridiculous. It's uncalled for. So we're gonna come out here. I'm gonna come out here since I haven't played in almost a month, and I'm just gonna do like a little putter only round. I'm gonna try to just finish par. That's all I want. So I got my Invader. I've thrown it like once. Brand new PA5. Got the Halo Polecat. Strictly for chain putts, pure putting only. And just a heads up, this park is close to a airport here in Charlotte, so you're gonna hear a lot of planes. So let's do this. I'm gonna take the Invader off hole 1. It's like 260 feet. It's a 3. Everything's a par 3. Obviously I'm rusty. So, yep, here we go. I can probably hit that putt.
okay, he did.
Hole 2, 256 feet. I did take a warm-up throw with the PA5 and it did not flip up. And I took a second warm-up throw with it earlier before we started the video, and it turned hard right. So I'm gonna throw it and see what happens. Thank you, Blaine. Pretty close to what I wanted. Oh man, that was the Wounded Duck. That's the Jared signature putt right there.
Here we go. Jared out here taking strays.
All right, hole 3 is 255 feet. Up and over the hill a little. Not that basket.
Big time.
I was afraid to put any power on it there.
It's okay to be afraid. Good shot.
Hole 4, 220 feet. Thank you, airplane, again. Man, apparently it's early in the morning is when to fly.
Oh yeah.
I really wish I could birdie this one because I need to get a bird.
Yep.
Hole 9 is gonna eat me.
Ooh. I think that might be, you ever shot that, I think.
It was short.
Okay.
That's better than I thought it was.
Good shot.
Got that birdie in. All right, hole 5, 274 feet. Down there. Just don't overthrow the basket, don't go in the water, and you're good.
Yeah.
Or, you know, completely screw your throw up. I've birdied this hole so many times.
Not today.
Not today. I feel like this is karma
Yep.
for me making that crack about Jared.
Yes.
I earned it.
Fair enough. Good run.
I'll take the bird.
Par.
Hole 6, 214 feet right there. not looking for any more instant bad karma, so I have nothing to point out about this hole whatsoever.
I made peace with that. I made peace with losing that disc. It's fine.
I've not made peace with you losing that disc.
We should if it.
I hate this area.
Hey man, if it doesn't bother me, it shouldn't bother you.
It bothers me.
No, it shouldn't.
Oh God. You gotta let go of the disc a little earlier.
Yeah. Here we go.
So now,
For birdie.
do I play it safe and take the par?
No. You run it like a man.
But if I miss, I'm gonna bogey this hole.
No, you won't.
All right.
Run this.
Oh,
Told you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Hole 7 is 190 feet. It's up the hill here, a little to the left. There's always wind up there that grabs your disc and does something funny. Hole 7 is a real son of a or you just like throw it on too much hyzer because every time you've thrown that disc earlier, it has flipped for no reason. So you anticipate it, and then it doesn't work the way you thought it would, and it turns out you're the problem, not the disc.
For birdie. Good run. Good par.
So hole 8 is 176 feet. I thought it was 178. 176 feet. It's literally just straight ahead, but the trees are ready. Yep. Threw that a touch too low. So here we are again at a hole that I often birdie, and not today.
For par. Good run, good run, good par, good par.
Hole 9, 231 feet. It's up there to the right. Shut up, cicadas. This is the hole I needed the birdie for because I think I've parred this one maybe once, and I usually bogey it every time. And it's because I can't throw for it, which if you watch our channel, you already know. Well, good thing I had that birdie earlier.
Yep.
Shut up, cicadas!
That looks pretty good.
I think I'm gonna par it.
I think you're gonna par it. Let's go, dog.
Alright. So if I've learned anything today, it's that even if you take almost a month off because you're too fat to play in 100-degree weather, you can still finish okay. Plus, realistically, this is not a very hard course. It's not a hard course. But man, I am sweating like a fat kid at a all-you-can-eat dessert buffet.
All right, we'll see you next time. Bing.